When we select a city, we get the temperature of this city. And when we click on Celsius, it converts the temperature into Celsius. And we click on Celsius again, it will do the calculation again and convert. It will think that minus 30 was a Kelvin value and it will convert it into minus 242, which is a Celsius conversion from Kelvin. Okay. The problem is that you are manipulating the state when you are clicking on the Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. What we are supposed to do is when we select a city, we are supposed to fetch the temperature and set it in a state value. And when we click on either Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit, we are not supposed to create few more states. We just take the state value, temperature value, and modify and show it in the DOM. Right? Temperature. This is the temperature. Okay. Instead of having temperature here, you should have your temperature should be a variable here, which is calculated from the state. Let's create a function. Get relevant temperature. It will take the temperature. Sorry, it will take the temperature symbol. Okay, so it will take the symbol and it will return the relevant temperature. How it will return the relevant temperature? First thing we should fix is we should set the temperature. You are setting the temperature here, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Good. So when you are setting the temperature, you are setting the value to Kelvin. Okay. So here you should have a switch case.
Okay, so that I can do in my above already made function also.
Yes, yes. So you can follow this approach. I do it, and if you get stuck, then I can interrupt. I can again help you.
Okay, so I can do that here, right?
Yes, yes, you can do it here. So you got the approach, right?
Yeah, so basically I have to just take a variable and every time I have to change the variable according to the symbol, and that variable will render over here, right?
Yes. So here instead of calling temp, you will call get relevant temp function. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, you will call that get relevant temp and pass in the symbol. And what is the symbol? Symbol will come from the state. Just pass the symbol because you change the symbol when you click on that button, you change the symbol, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have the relevant symbol, and when you have the relevant symbol, just get the temperature according temperature from the main temperature. The main temperature you are not changing the temperature, which is state. You are just returning a value, modified value from the temperature. Okay, so you are not changing the state. You are getting a value, modified value from the state.
Okay, but can't I do it over here? Like I already know which button is pressed according to the ID, so I can do the calculation over here.
You can do the calculation over here, but then you have to create three variables: Kelvin temperature, Celsius temperature, and Fahrenheit temperature. If you set it, you are modifying the actual variable that you have, temp variable. Achha, you are thinking that when you click on Celsius, you will convert your temperature from Kelvin to Celsius. Okay.
Yeah.
But then you have lost the Kelvin temperature.
Yes.
So if you want to go that way, then you have to keep track of what is the existing temperature, and based on that logic, convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit if the next click is Fahrenheit, and convert from Celsius.
That's not the thing. Actually, the thing is, like, suppose, one second. I got this at the initial value. Okay. So when I press Celsius, it will show me the Celsius, and when I press Fahrenheit, it will show me the calculation over the Kelvin. I mean the value which I'm getting from the API, that should be taken to calculate Fahrenheit.
So why you want to? Okay, you want to make 3 API calls, basically.
Not 3 API calls. It's only one. I am getting the value as Kelvin, and on Kelvin value, I will calculate accordingly.
So where are you storing that Kelvin value? You are just losing that variable where we are storing that value. We are setting calling at line number 35 set temp, and you are modifying
Yeah.
that temperature again.
Yeah, so I already have the value in my temperature
Huh.
over here.
Huh.
Okay, so on the click of the button, on which button I am clicking, accordingly it will calculate and show me the value.
Huh. On the click of button, you are just modifying the temp again. If you modify the temp again, you have lost the original temp, which is Kelvin.
Yes, yes.
So it's a
So
logic mistake basically. If you want to
yeah,
export
so
the Kelvin, you have to keep it separate, and that's what we are doing. We are just keeping the temp as is. We are not modifying the temperature. As long as the CD does not change, we will not modify the temperature. Whenever we just click on either Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin, we just get the modified value. What we just get the derived value from that actual temperature and show it on the screen.
yes, yes.